The most common way your home or business can be damaged is by water leaks and seepage. Water that goes undetected can lead to major repairs and financial loss. Fortunately, the Flood Screamer water alarm has been developed to detect water before damage can occur. Even the smallest amounts of water will trigger the alarm system. For complete coverage protection, the Flood Screamer alarm panel is placed at a convenient location where the 130 decibel alarm will easily be heard. It's operated by 110 AC current or by a 9-volt battery to protect from power outages. The panel can hold up to 32 different zones or locations throughout your house, apartment, building, or business. Then water alarms can be placed in critical spots. This will go a long way to ensure your home or business will be protected from the expense and destruction caused by leaking water. These water detection pucks are powered by 2 AA batteries with a life expectancy of up to 3 years. An indicator on the main panel will show when batteries are low or non-active. The system can detect moisture wirelessly up to 300 feet away, depending on obstacles. Multiple sensors can be simultaneously monitored at the central control panel. The panel features an easy-to-read LED display with simple 3-step programming for each sensor. When a sensor detects an event, the 130 decibel siren alerts you instantly. The LED display indicates which sensor it is so that immediate action can be taken. Once installed, the Flood Screamer alarm system provides complete peace of mind, knowing that water leaks and seepage will be discovered immediately.